Hello everyone, welcome back to the LeetCode plus TSA series. In this video, we are going to solve LeetCode number 3046, split the array. In this problem, we are given an integer array of nums of even length, and we have to split the array into two parts, nums1 and nums2, such that size of both are equal, and that is size of nums divided by 2. And nums of 1 should contain distinct element, and also nums of 2 contain distinct elements, and we have to return true if it is possible, otherwise return false. So in simple words, if the number if a number occurs more than two times, that means the split is not possible, otherwise possible. For example, in this example, one is occurrence two times, two occurs two times, three and four occurs one time. So such a split is possible, such that 1 2 3 and nums of 1 is 1 2 3 and nums of 2 is 1 2 4. In this example, the four ones, then the split is not possible. So we'll return false. So let's implement that idea. First take a vector of integer which store the frequency, and here in the constraint nums of I is from 1 to 100. So name it track, and since the size is equal to 100, so we will start from 100 and initial value becomes 0. Now travel a for loop on number int num of nums, and insert the track of num plus plus. Sorry, nums in the -1 plus plus, because we store 1 at 0 index, 2 at first index, and so on. And then check that if the track at num -1 is greater than 2, then we will return false. And at the end we will return true. So let's run this code. So now let's submit it. It is submitted. So let's analyze the complexity of this solution. The time complexity of this solution is order of n, and space complexity is constant. The size of track is constant, and that's the optimal solution for LeetCode number 3046, split the array. The full solution link is in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.